The ePortfolio for GLD is designed to be the culminating project for your college experience. When you think about your entire undergraduate experience, what would you identify as your purpose or passion? Your ePortfolio will demonstrate the major learning and skills you have developed during your time at USC and will highlight your purpose, unique experiences, and the insights you have gained. This video will give you a quick overview of the ePortfolio and how it's scored. ePortfolios, by definition, are websites that contain written text, images, and documentation or artifacts. They are both a digital collection of your work and a public demonstration of your learning and growth throughout college. Your ePortfolio should be professional but unique. This means your writing should be clear and professional and include details of your authentic story. The GLD ePortfolio consists of 5 essays, 5 opportunities for you to communicate who you are, what you have learned, and how you will apply your learning to solve problems and lead. The first essay is the About Me essay. The About Me page is designed to give you space to introduce yourself, your GLD pathway, your major, your professional goals, how your ePortfolio is organized, and any other relevant information you choose to share. It's how your audience will get to know you, your background, your story, and orient themselves to the rest of your portfolio. Key insights come next. The GLD ePortfolio requires 3 key insight essays that articulate how your within the classroom and beyond the classroom experiences influenced one another in order to create a change in your professional or life practices. In the key insights, you will not only describe your experiences and learning, but also analyze them in order to demonstrate your ability to think critically and see things from various perspectives. Be sure to check out the Key Insights section for more in-depth information about these essays and their required artifacts. The Leadership essay is the 5th component of the ePortfolio and is where graduation with leadership distinction gets its name. The Leadership section asks you to reflect and apply what you have learned while at the University of South Carolina and how your learning can equip you to be a leader in your career or community by solving problems that you may encounter in the future. The GLD ePortfolio is the one requirement that is graded. You have to pass it to earn GLD. Your ePortfolio will be graded by a trained reviewer using a standardized rubric available on our website and in this Blackboard page. The GLD ePortfolio rubric is made up of 12 elements for a total of 48 possible points. Reviewers assess ePortfolios on a 1 to 4 scale, with 1 meaning below expectations and 4 meaning exceeds expectations. You must earn a score of 34 in order to pass the ePortfolio, which means your target goal should always be a score of 3 or meets expectations for each element of the rubric. Now that you know a little bit about the overall ePortfolio expectations, you can begin setting up your website. Check out the PowerPoint on website building and begin creating the shell of your website on any platform you choose. Once you create your homepage and blank pages for each of the 5 essays, you will have completed your first ePortfolio checkpoint and can move on to the next step.